Hi, I'm Dr. Terry Silkman, talking with you with Lucy again tonight. We're going to cover detoxification, and we're going to give you a 2-for-1. We're going to talk first about pet detoxification and how we use detoxification agents for pets, and then we're going to finish up with how people need detoxification, a variety of different health problems that people suffer that detoxification type therapy would be of benefit to, and certainly some preventative types of things that most of us don't think about. So I'm going to let Lucy go because she's already getting tired of her stardom. And so detoxification for pets. You would be amazed, or maybe you wouldn't, but you would be probably amazed at how much I see pets where somebody has been concerned or suspects a toxin, whether it's rat poison or antifreeze or sago lily or sago palm or prescription medications. And the thought process from some people is, well, we'll just wait and we'll see whether there's a problem or not. Well, I'm going to encourage you not to do that, regardless of what detoxification things you use. If you suspect that your pet has been exposed to something, there are very few antidotes we have that can block toxic effect. Most of the time what's going to happen is we need to either eliminate the toxin before it gets absorbed, which means vomiting, or we need to put something into the intestinal tract that's going to stick to that toxic substance and try to keep it from being absorbed from the intestine. And so things like activated charcoal work very well for using GI tract therapy to try to prevent absorption. Obviously, if we can get there faster, vomiting medications to eliminate it from being passed through the stomach and the intestine are even more important. And so we use both of those things. If you get a toxin absorbed into the system that you can't block with an antidote, there are also things like chelating agents that actually can work within the bloodstream to complex or to stick to toxic substances and to try to help the body to excrete them. And so again, the list of things that you should take prompt and immediate action for your pets would include antifreeze, which is a very unforgiving toxin. It moves into the body as rapidly as drinking alcohol, and unfortunately, as it gets metabolized, it becomes much more toxic than drinking alcohol. Sago palm, sago lily, any prescription medications, certainly topical anti-cancer type things like 5-fluorouracil. We've had a couple of those. Those pets typically have very, very big problems. Chocolate's another one. Rat poison, which tastes good to pets to try to get the rats to ingest it and to die. Those are some of the things that waiting is going to just complex and compound the problem. So, shifting to humans, why do we want detoxification as part of our normal health protocol? Well, there's something called toxic gut syndrome that many of us suffer from. It has to do with eating the wrong things and causing a buildup of bad intestinal bacteria that produce toxins. Other people that get huge benefit from detoxification therapy, any organ transplant patients that are having to be on medications that suppress their immune system, cancer therapy patients or recovering cancer therapy patients who are dealing with the effects of either residual cancer cells or the really extremely toxic cancer drugs. Anybody who has a chronic GI tract problem like inflammatory bowel disease or Crohn's disease is a good candidate for detoxification therapy, and any diabetic. These are all people and pets that would profit from detoxification therapy, as well as the rest of us that want to maintain good health. Detoxification is also hugely important when you're losing weight, because your fat is where most of the toxic stuff that you absorb at low levels, like air pollution and other types of toxins from drugs or things you would take, store in your fat system. So when you start eliminating fat, you also liberate those toxins. So that's kind of a 2-for tonight. One, how you help your pets with detoxification therapy. 2, how you help you with detoxification therapy. If you'd like more information about what Lucy and I are doing, please visit her Facebook page, or you can find us at Living for Health.